Hey everybody, it's week 3, Monday, first day. We're going to be going through a couple of different ELA stories this week, and today we're going to actually have two Zoom meetings this week. Today, Monday, after school, so about 3:30, we're going to have a Zoom meeting for anyone who's having a little bit of trouble with the math. We're going to go through it, break it down a little bit, maybe simplify it a little bit. And then tomorrow we'll have a regular Zoom meeting at 3:30. Only I'm going to post all the information for today's Zoom meeting, but only come if you're having trouble with the math. We're just going to focus on that, and then tomorrow we're all going to check in. So hopefully we've got a couple of new students. I'd love to check in with you guys tomorrow. If you'd like to check in today as well, that'd be great. But we're going to start off today with our ELA. I'm going to post the link to the online portion, but you do have the textbook. So you can decide if you want to read this out of the textbook and work out of the textbook if you'd like, or if you'd like to do it through the online component. But this is a comparative text, so this is a different kind of text um, than the one that we did earlier, but it's about the same subject. So the story behind the movie The Blind Side, these two people meeting each other and becoming lifelong friends. This is another take on that true story. This is a memoir. Okay, this is written by somebody who was a part of it, whereas the last one was written by somebody who was outside of the friendship, just writing about it informationally. So this is a little bit different. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be comparing and contrasting the two texts. So comparing text. Let me move myself out of the way here. Um, we're going to be comparing texts. So I want you to read it first. It's very short compared to last week. This is very short. But if you go online, you can have it. You can read along with it. I want you to go through comparing texts, concept vocabulary, okay, and then comprehension check. I want you to answer all these questions. You can either do it in the notebook, or I'd recommend doing it in a doc and turning it in. That's going to be what we're doing in ELA today. Let's go on to math. Because I've heard from a few people that maybe we're going too fast through these concepts. I want to slow things down and kind of go through what's called getting ready for 7th grade math. You know, we're still in the first couple of weeks, so we may have gone a little too far too fast. So let's go ahead and start. Let's just rein it in a little bit and go back to the more simplified version of what we went through last week. So we're going to be doing distributive property, combining like terms, equivalent expressions. Just get through as much as you can today. We're going to do this today and tomorrow. So maybe do about half of this today. I would maybe go down to about one-step addition and subtraction equations, and then maybe leave the rest off for tomorrow. Science, Earth's interior. I'm going to post this to you. This is going to start on page 56, reading about the interior layers of the Earth, what's at the center of the Earth, and of course at the very end, where it says putting it together, answering these questions in a doc, sending it to me. It looks like there's 3 questions. So um, that's what the science is. Let's do social studies. Hold on. We're going to be doing chapter 3, or not chapter 3. It's on page chapter 2. I believe it's unit 3, not unit 3. Chapter 2, lesson 3. Great civilizations in the Americas, starting on page 46. Go ahead and read through it. I believe it's on page 51 is the section 3 review. I want you to do all 8 questions, and go ahead and send that to me in a doc. And I really, I hope to see you guys tonight, but today or definitely tomorrow. Uh, as always, if you have any questions, please get in touch with me, and I'll see you guys later. All right, have a great Monday. See you later today.